guys, Christine here. I am at the Fun Factory next to the Movieland Wax Museum. This is our kind of wacky little souvenir store, so you're going to find all kind of odds and ends and interesting souvenirs. So today I want to feature Bubble Fun, Bubble Summer Fun. It's summer, it's hot. Okay, so I'm with Kennedy, and she is the shift supervisor here at the Fun Factory. And she's gonna show us a first product. Now, this one looks cute for the girls. What is it?
Here we have a bubble gun. It's a unicorn. We offer it in both pink and white. It's very simple. You just pull the trigger, it sings a song, and produces bubbles.
So this is good, probably more for like the toddlers and young kids, because it plays a song, it's cute, and it's easy, right?
Yeah.
So. Okay, so this one is for ages 3 and up. So why don't you show us, well, what's the name of it, and show us how to work it.
It's called a bubble. It's very simple. You just dip the end in the dip tray full of bubbles and blow. And then the wings spin as you blow it.
Okay, so this one here is also for ages 3 and up, and I really like it because it looks unique. Tell me a bit about it.
So this is a bubble glove. We have it in 8 different animals. It's very simple. You just stick your hand inside, dip it in the bubble solution, and wave your hand. You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try it. All right. All right, let's give it a go. Love it. Well, thank you, Kennedy, for showing us all your bubble products here at the Fun Factory. They have lots of summer products here, so come on in, check out all the souvenirs they have here for kids and the whole family. So tell us what your hours are for the summer.
We're open every day, 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. all summer.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Kennedy. And for Clifton Hill, I'm Christine at cliftonhill.com.